Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video, guys. So what we're doing is, as you guys can tell from the title, this is a Fiat 500, and there aren't a lot of videos on this. And this is the convertible, and if you guys are working on the convertible, you guys know that there's a ton of issues with the roof itself. But to be honest with you, if you guys have other issues like the roof not working at all, it could be the switch, it could be a ton of stuff, the relay, but it could also be the motor that powers the convertible rooftop. If you guys can't find a video of it on YouTube, where it's located, how to take it off, etc., etc., well, come to the right place, because I had to do this job this morning. And as you guys can see, if you guys can't see, of course you guys can't see, but I actually try to take the roof off from the back and try to get the motor from the back. But it's a lot more simple than that. All right, you guys do not have to do anything with the back. And all you guys got to do is to take off, go to the back and take off essentially the whatchamacallit, what is it called, the back panel. All right, and I'm pretty much doing this backwards because it's already been taken off, but you guys can see there's a metal cover over it and a couple of screws. I'm sure you guys can figure where those screws are, and I'm doing this backwards so you guys can see. You can take that off. A bunch of plastic poppers on the bottom, pop those off, and that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, that's pretty much the whole entire video of where it's located, how to take it off. It's pretty simple to swap out in the back. The case on this issue on this was that it was disconnected for whatever reason. I don't know what the reason was, but the motor was disconnected. I was hired to do a job where I was there to change out the motor, but didn't need to change out the motor because the motor was working just fine. The switch, I was asked to swap out the switch, but the switch worked out just fine. That was like maybe a couple weeks ago. Had to come back. Thought it was the motor. And well, as you guys can see, well, you guys can't see that the motor worked fine, but once the plug was, once it was plugged in, everything worked fine. So in any case, that's my video. If you guys have any comment on this, definitely leave a comment in the video. But I guess if I had to say anything else on this, is that aside from these vehicles not being too reliable, I think, I'm not quite 100% sure, but just from reputation alone on these videos, they're not the most reliable vehicles. However, I will say that the convertible roof itself is one giant nightmare. It's one giant nightmare. I mean, it'll go bad on you real fast. And to be honest with you, outside of that, I think the motor is okay. You probably don't need to change out the motor or anything like that. But if you guys ever need to change out the motor, this is the video for it. Hope you guys out. Guys, have any questions? Leave a question in the comment. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.